And then there were fireworks. Hello and welcome to Saturday. As you can see behind me, we have fireworks. This was not actually part of my day schedule. It's like 9:30 at night on Saturday, June 29th, and I just happened to go to a store that I needed to buy some stuff from, and I got here and it was like right before the store closed, and surprisingly a large amount of people were parked here for what I was expecting for a Saturday night. So, as I found out, they're apparently doing a fireworks show here, which, even though it's not 4th of July. So, I'm here anyway, so I figured I may as well watch it and see what... That was a loud one. The crowd's certainly enjoying this, if you can't hear them there. All the people sitting around watching the show in this random parking lot near the park. I have no idea how long this is actually going to go for. It's just, well, I'm here anyway, I may as well watch this fireworks show. Or rather, I'm now watching it on the camera, pointing back behind me at it. Truth be told, I had no idea that they do random fireworks shows on non-holiday style stuff, but yeah, apparently we're doing a fireworks thing on this random Saturday night. And since I'm out here, I'm watching it. I have no idea how much of this audio is going to be completely unusable because there's giant loud explosions behind me. And because I have this crazy ability that I need to start taking my camera and talking to it while this fireworks show is going on, but hey, that's just the idea I had, so here I am doing it. Okay, the fireworks show is over. They lasted about 20-30 minutes, I think. And hey, that was fun. It was not the thing I expected to be doing on my Saturday night, but that's what I did and I had fun. Good night, everybody.